Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about the working and construction of solar cell. First of all, I am going to introduce what is a solar cell. A solar cell is a type of electric device that converts solar energy or light energy into electrical energy. It works on the principle of photoelectric effect. Solar cell is also known as photovoltaic cell or P.V cell. Basically, solar cell is a PN junction diode. So, moving next to its construction, that how it works, how it is made. So here, as you are seeing on your screens, that on the top there is a blue surface, the upper portion which is covered by a glass. Moving next, there is N-type material which is thin, 0.3 micrometer thin, and is a semiconductor material. And then in yellow, there is P-type material which is made up of silicon, lightly doped. Here doping means some chemical elements added to semiconductor, and this region is thick, about 300 micrometers. The most lower portion is covered by metallic sheet, which is substrate base, and on top there is also a metallic strip which act as electrodes. Moving next to the working of solar cell, that how it works. In N-type material, majority carriers are free electrons, and in P-type region, majority carriers are free holes. So when we place N and P-type, the electrons from N-type moves into P-type and fills the hole where from the free electrons come the holes are made. Where from N-type region the electrons move in P-type and there are holes made in N-type. Where the holes are positively charged and the electrons are negatively charged. So here a depletion region is formed due to holes and electrons. When sun rays in proton form incident on N-type layer, the proton pass from N-type and move in the depletion region. When photons hit depletion region, then semiconductor material emit electrons, which are free to move, and then electrons move toward positive charge carriers and holes move toward negative charge carriers. And then both The electrode chips on the top and the bottom are connected, and the circuit is completed and electrons start flowing through it, through both the electrodes. So then when the current pass, it gives current and energy is produced. Moving next, solar cell or PV cell works on the principle of photoelectric effect. So here I am going to tell you about the intensity of light, that what the effect of intensity of light. Here I want to ask that when the intensity is high, the output was high. There is a direct relation of the output of the current with the intensity of rays. So when the intensity of rays was high, the output of current or energy was also high. Moving next to the advantages and disadvantages of solar cell. First we discuss the advantages. Renewable source of energy. Second one is reduces electrical bill. Third one, it's build up the technology. Fourth one, lower maintenance cost. On the other side, also having some disadvantages. Solar cell depends on weather. If the weather is not good, we does not have any other source of energy, then it's not good. Solar energy storage is expensive. Yes, also effect. Required more space. Yes, solar panels are expensive. So expensive nowadays. Moving next to the applications of solar cell. It's mostly used in toys and watches. It's used in electric fans. It's also used in remote lighting systems. It may be used to provide portable supplies. It mostly used in the field of satellites. So this is the end. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.